Well, hey guys, welcome back to Four Oaks Crafts. In this video, I want to share with you a new ebook that I put together. It's a 120-page ebook, and I'll have a link down in the description field. It's available to download for free on my website. Okay, here's a look at the table of contents. Of course, I go through an overview, talk about safety, what you need to wear as far as a carving glove and, the tools that you need to be using. I go into carving tools and supplies. It's amazing that you really don't need, much equipment for doing carving. And I go into some of the basic tools there. You don't need a very big workshop. You don't need a very big workspace either. Next, we move on to some carving concepts, and this is where I talk about, how your knife, relates to the wood grain and some techniques that you can use there and understand a little bit more about how the blade is interacting with it. Then we go into various some basic carving techniques and grips, and I'll show you several photos, how to do that and how to do it safely. Moving on to the project section, so I have 7 different projects, and I'm going to show you some photos from the book here. So the first project is a wooden spoon, and we move on to a wooden butter knife, then a wine bottle stopper, then a wooden tray that's shaped like an oak leaf, then a breadboard, a spatula made out of olive wood, and a coffee scoop made out of walnut. So you've got all these easy to beginner type projects, and in the beginning of each project section I've got a template. You can print that template out, and then you can trace that to your piece of wood. Also step-by-step photos showing you how to do it and how to finish your piece as well. The next section I move on to showing you how to sharpen your knife and how to care for your knife. Most of the time you don't have to really do a lot of sharpening. You just have to put your knife on the strop and touch it up every time or after every time you carve and the next time you begin to carve. Also share with you my beeswax butter recipe and tell you how to make that, and that's something that I use especially for like spoons and utensils that I carve. Food safe and easy to make and easy to apply. It's a 120-page book, as I mentioned. It's free. I got a link down in the description field that'll take you to my website, and you don't even have to furnish an email address. Just click on the link in my website and it's going to download a PDF of the book. So I hope you will go out there and get a copy and give me some feedback. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Maybe one of these days I'll make a more advanced book on some other topics around carving. But hey, appreciate you watching this video. Hope you go and check out the free ebook. Thanks.